right. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Please introduce yourself. Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. My name is Cherry. I'm 4 years old. I'm from University Vietnam.
Cherry, ready?
Yes,
Okay, Cherry, what color is that?
it's red,
Good.
blue, it's green, it's yellow, it's apple, it's orange, it's banana, it's mango, it's rice, it's soup, it's meat, it's noodle, it's candy,
It's an ice cream.
it's ice cream, it's cake, it's cookie, it's water,
Okay.
it's milk, it's
It's yogurt.
milk,
That's right.
it's sugar, it's dog, it's
It's a ball.
the boy,
Robot.
it's robot, it's toy train,
Good.
it's
It's a plane.
red, it's dog,
Good.
it's cat, it's lion, it's
Tiger.
tiger, it's duck.
All right. Thank you, Cherry.